Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Razer Kraken V3X and the Ps4. Plug the 3.5mm jack into your controller or insert the USB dongle into a front USB port if you have the PC/USB model. Once connected, power on the controller and sign into your Ps4 account so the console recognizes audio input. Make sure headset volume is at a comfortable level. Too loud hides mic feedback. This initial connection step lets the Ps4 route both game and chat audio through the Kraken. Once done with the physical connection, configure the Ps4 so audio and mic behave correctly. Navigate to Settings, then Devices, then Audio Devices. Set output device to headset connected to controller. Next, change output to headphones to all audio so game sound and chat both go to the Kraken. You should also set microphone to use and adjust microphone level while speaking. This avoids low input or clipping. Finally, test in a party or game lobby to confirm balanced chat and game volumes. To finish, fine-tune audio balance so you hear teammates without drowning game effects. Using game audio sliders and the Kraken inline controls or software defaults to adjust side tone and overall volume. If the mic isn't recognized, first replug the headset into the controller, toggle the mute switch, and ensure the controller firmware is up to date. If problems persist, restart the Ps4 or boot into safe mode and select Rebuild Database. This often clears detection glitches and restores normal headset behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.